Futures are green across the board on Wednesday here ahead of the market open and, of course, ahead of Nvidia's earnings in the after hours. S&P futures up 0.38%, Dow futures up 0.3%, and the Nasdaq leading the way higher plus 0.68%. Now let's take a look at some cues from last session and where we sit here today. Materials, communication services, and consumer discretionary sectors recorded the biggest losses on Tuesday, pulling most S&P 500 sectors into negative territory, though healthcare and energy stocks bucked the trend to close higher. U.S. stock futures rose on Wednesday following 2 consecutive days of lower closes on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 indices on Tuesday. Investors are awaiting Nvidia's first quarter results. That's ticker NVDA. They're scheduled to be released after the closing bell here today. Analysts are expecting Nvidia to report second quarter earnings of $1.76 per share on revenue of $79.04 billion. Additionally, the Federal Reserve will be releasing the minutes of the Fed meeting later this afternoon. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.65% and the 2-year bond was at 4.1%. The CME Group's Fed Watch Tool projections show the market's pricing a 96.7% likelihood of the Federal Reserve leaving the current interest rates unchanged during the June meeting. Now, we've got several stocks in focus here for you today, and the first one was a report from yesterday. This is going to be Toll Brothers. As a home builder here, the ticker is TOL, and it rose 2.3% in the pre-market on Wednesday after reporting upbeat earnings for the first quarter. The company posted quarterly earnings of $2.72 per share, which beat the analyst consensus estimate of $2.60 per share. The next stock on our list is going to be Stellantis. Stellantis is ticker STLA, and it was up 0.82% as it signed an MOU with Dongfeng Group to establish a Europe-based joint venture for sales, distribution, manufacturing, purchasing, and engineering of Dongfeng's new energy vehicles. The next stock on our list is going to be Roblox. The ticker is RBLX. And it actually advanced this morning 3.69% as it disclosed a $3 billion share repurchase program. The next stock on our list is going to be AMC Entertainment Holdings, and the ticker is AMC. It gained 5.8% after the CEO, Adam Aron, bought 250,000 shares of the company's stock. The last stock on our list is going to be Cava, ticker CAVA, the Mediterranean fast casual restaurant. It jumped 6.63% after it posted first quarter revenue of $438.27 billion. That beat the consensus of $411.25 billion, and adjusted earnings of 20 cents per share beat the analyst estimates of 17 cents per share.